What you tell him, man?
Tony gonna win this motherfucking race, what you see?
Yeah.
Tony win the race. Tony gonna win this fucking race. They told him today on that goddamn meeting, they're gonna make Tony win this goddamn shootout today.
Yeah.
He gonna win it, what you see? He gonna win it. He gonna win that.
Hey, man. What happened, man?
What I seen, got them wheel light come on in the right lane.
Yeah, that's what I seen. I saw that. We finna go to Tony Bynes' trailer and see what he talking about.
No, Tutu, he ain't cross. I ain't cross no cell lane, no, he ain't cross, no. I crossed his ass down here. I wanted J.R. Gray. I told him I was gonna pull over. I wanted him. You wanted him? Yeah. What you did to him? Skull fucked him down there. Somebody get my condom down there. I'm down there on the ground. I get my goddamn condom. I drop it down the ground now. I got a big block. You got a big block. Don't never bet against me to run a small block. No, he off the trailer. If I was scared of him, I would have tested. Tell him what you is. 6-time grudge fist of the year. 6 times? That man tried to knock me out the first round. J.R. Gray. You crossed his ass. Look at me. He wasn't nobody. Insulted me. Like he was nobody. Yes, they saying it up there. Tutu keep saying that. They saying it up there. Yes. I ain't crossing no fucking. I know you did. We'll check on that. No, it's nil. No, not even close. No, he ain't close. Ali Bumble, yeah. Ali Bumble, yeah. Ali Bumble, yeah. Tony, this your teammate. You can't talk to your teammate like that. Your teammate tell you that Tutu. Down goes Frazier. Down goes Frazier. Down goes Frazier. Oh, he jumped out now. He jumped out about to have a car. Oh, shit. Ain't enough there. I want to throw that bitch out here. No. I got like a rubber band on his ass. Little Bobby, you can't stand that goddamn 178 down there. What you got? Ain't no small block in the world that go 178. You can't stand that 178 down there. No, you can't stand it. I was worried about his 60 footer. Right. Say he got a more 9 something shit bullshit ass 60 footer. I don't give a fuck. What you got? I'm right there with it. I ain't right for a woman. He jumped out. I need some help, Bobby. We had already figured. Me and Pops already calculated. He had to jump out that much in order to stay out there. Yeah, okay, the whole car. That's the only thing he stopped out right there. That's right there. At the quarter pound. And you stopped it. Oh, shit. I said, well, we're going to be on another race now. He jumped out. He did all he want. Hey, at the 3,000, guess what I saw? His tongue hanging out. I know it's on tongue. I got it now. His tongue hanging out. I got it. He gave it out of my Hey, you said about my tongue hanging out? Oh, shit. He got a breath. He got a breath. Please don't forget. Off the trailer. Off the trailer. Off the 6 times. Still got it in him. Still doing it up. Still pulling out some prizes. Tony, Boss Bynes. Wow. Wow. And I'm going to say that last one, but I got to say it anyway. Wow.
Look out.
Got a ruling on the other end of the track for that final race. Light lane cross the center line. The best thing on the travel side declared the winner. Even though the win light came on in that right way.
What?
Across the center line.
Man, that's bullshit. I ain't crossed no fucking center lane, man. Hold on. I don't do that shit.
God, damn, I should have jumped on that motherfucker.
No curb, mama. Side, no
You gotta have courtesy for the other races, man. Let us go.
I got you on that. I got you on that. Ain't no mark, no way close to the center lane, all the way down there. If I was close to the center lane, it would have showed the marks on the ground. Who called that nigga? We ain't win tonight. Y'all don't want us to do that shit. Respect that.
What happened?
Respect that.
Which part?
False Bynes.
But yeah, they talking about he crossed.
No, he ain't crossed.
Okay, yeah, that's what I
won the
said.
race clearly. I was in the stand.
Oh, you was in the stand?
Yeah, he won that race clearly.
He didn't go.
And guess what? No one knew that. I ain't see that neither.
Yeah.
The damn car didn't do all that.
He clearly won.
Yeah, he won.
He won. He beat JR Gray clearly.
Yeah.
He beat JR Gray clearly.
Tony Bynes said they just want J.R. Gray to win.
Anything Tony with, I'm bet with it.
Yeah.
But the point line is, looking at the video, if I didn't even close to the line, I'd knock the shit out the goddamn cone with that damn big old head out there. I had a man.
Yeah.
Did he touch the cone?
Yeah, he do got a big old head. That thing hanging out of there.
If I'd been in the middle, I just knock the fuck out the cone. Cone ain't been touched. One man made a call down there, standing way back in the crowd, man. Y'all see how boys stick out, right? Why ain't knock over the goddamn middle goddamn thing?
Yeah, you hit that
He is
cone.
one of them. When the fuck you goddamn go that boy spoke to that in? The hell gonna hit that shit when you knock the shit out that cone. Sticking way out there. I was like, no, I ain't come close.
Everybody been trying to figure out what was the verdict. We heard Day said, but we been trying to figure out Day, who Day is. We ain't seen Day footage, and they said you crossed the line, but we ain't talked to Day and them yet. But we trying to see what they come up with an agreement. What we looking like?
We're gonna split it 3 ways.
Okay.
We in the 2 cars that supposed to be in the final, we still gonna race each other.
Okay. Okay. Hey man, you seen Day? You ain't seen him? Damn man. Cause they was at the front, but they ain't say. Yeah, I'm looking for Day. You know Day? One day they said he crossed the line. You don't know? Let me go find him. I can't find Day. Hey man, you have you ran into Day? They said he crossed the line. I'm trying to see Day video.
Who is Day video?
I don't know Day now. I'm trying to.
I ain't seen that yet.
You ain't seen Day?
I ain't seen Day.
None of them.
None of that.
Damn. Tony Bynes won. The right side won. God damn. What you tell him, man?
Tony gonna win this motherfucking race, what you see?
Yeah.
Tony win the race. Tony gonna win this fucking race. They told him today on that goddamn meeting, they're gonna make Tony win this goddamn shootout today.
Yeah.
He gonna win it, what you see? He gonna win it. He'll win that shootout.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.